God never go into the wrong address. You know that we are the tribal people. You know that our names are very similar. Today my wife also said Kachin people name, they are named as the senior. They will always say the first sister Ashang. If you say Ashang, the whole village got so many Ashang, so they will come out. The eldest daughter in the family her name is Ashang. If you are the Lisu, they call the first son name is Atta. If you call out Atta in the village of Lisu, all the first son will come out from the village. You know that Chin people also have a very similar name. When I went to the first time to the Chin church, it's so difficult to remember their name. They always switch their front and back name, you know. They know first the first person named Palh. Another person say King Liang Bao. So I do not know where to stop Pao or the knee. For the one person named Dobi, another person named Dabi. So difficult to remember. But God is so good. But God never goes to wrong person. And He never wrong address. Maybe there are same name as you are. They may be very similar with your face. But when God bless you, God is only going to bless you. So let's declare together, God is good to me and my family. 1, 2, 3. God is good to me. Amen.
Amen.